Hello. Look at this. And yeah, that's it. Oh, hi.
Where is Karime?
In there.
Cari, did you check the AC? ¿Por qué no está sirviendo?
Daisy's fine. I did get a chainsaw. You know, it looks like the Hillbillies chainsaw from Dead by Daylight. Let's put all. Okay, I got this gear. Even a hat. I mean, helmet. Let's put it on. Shit. All the items are on, guys. This is what it looks like. This is. You guys want to see me without my glasses? That'll be on the next video. You know, this is really cool, guys. Okay, I'm actually gonna do it like this, so you guys can see me better. Yeah, there we go. That's better. My glasses are right here. Okay, I'm gonna take the stuff off though. No glasses reveal on the next video. Oh, I forgot. Yeah, this is my glass. Oh. I think I already revealed myself with no glasses. The slime beard and the slime video. Yeah, I got all the stuff. I'm gonna go put it in my room. Just a sec. Oh yeah, I forgot. I have measuring tape too. That wiggles too much. And you can use this like right here to like bring it back. You can't bring it out with this thing. You can only reverse it. Yeah, I have this saw too. Okay, I'm back with the chainsaw now. I don't want to put the chainsaw away because the chainsaw is like my favorite. You have to put this thing in here. Like this black thing. Yeah, the black thing. I don't know what it's supposed to do. We haven't put the batteries inside of it. Yeah, this thing actually makes noises. And the blade spins also. Oh my god, it's out of my camera. Well,
Where's
don't.
Mama? In her room?
Yes.
Why is she the baby out here?
She is in there. Oh, fuck. I almost dropped it. Okay. My chainsaw. Chainsaw. This is awesome, dude. This is the outside. And I'm gonna be chopping that tree down, but I need something for it. I need something to make the camera stand. It's already been. This videos have been. The video has been have made it 30 minutes already. I don't know how that fast. Okay, please don't make my phone fall, please. Also, because the no, guys. Okay, I'm fucking lucky they cracked the screen, because a little bit of the screen is cracked. Okay. I'm using something blue. Ooh. It's so scary. Like, cause the thing I'm using for the phone to stand is pure glass. I'm gonna top this tree. I mean, it's not gonna work, but I'm still doing it. This is epic, and it's windy out here. Which is I like it because I'm not that cold. Okay. Okay, bye guys. I'm so scared. I'm scared.